Hi everyone, in the previous video we talked about strings and some features of strings, and in this video we will talk about some useful methods of strings. Let's begin our lecture. First method of string is upper method. For example, we can use this upper method in our name variable. This method converts a string into uppercase. Okay, name dot upper parentheses shift enter. Okay, let's look at this output. All the letters are uppercase. As you see, my friend, I'm gonna use dot upper. Methods is different from functions. We will use functions in, for example, print function. I'm gonna write my name in the parentheses, but in the methods we're gonna use dot and upper. Okay, second method of string is lower. This is converts a string into lowercase. Okay, name dot lower shift enter. Yes, all the letters in lowercase. The other method is capitalize method that converts the first character to uppercase. In our variable we have the first letter, the uppercase, and we can change, or we can use another variable, surname equals tag. Okay, we can capitalize the first letter of this surname variable by using capitalize method. Surname dot capitalize parentheses shift enter. Okay, let's look at the output. The first letter of this surname variable is uppercase. Okay, the next we are using is find method. This method searches the string for a specified value and returns the position of where it was found. Let's look the name variable find. For example, I'm gonna get the E. Shift enter. The index of E, the first E. This is not the second E. The first E has the first index. Okay? For example, I'm gonna get the H index. Yes, this is the second index. Okay? The find method searches the string for a specified value and returns the position. Okay? Yes, the another method is replace method. Replace method returns a string where a specified value is replaced with a specified value. Okay, let's try name.replace. For example, I'm gonna change this part, comma, tag. I'm gonna replace met by tag. Okay, shift enter. The new name is tag. I'm replacing met with tag. Okay, another method is count method. This method returns the number of times a specified value occurs in a string. For example, name.count e. E occurs our string 2 times. Okay, another method is index. Search the string for a specified value, returns the position of where it was. We can use the index method, name.index. For example, I'm using h. Okay, this is the index of 2 because 0, 1, h is the second index. Okay, we can use this strip methods because this string methods, for example, lstrip returns a left string version of a string. I'm gonna explain in an example. New name equals, I'm gonna add some spaces. Okay, I have spaces before Mehmet and after Mehmet. Okay, we will be using lstrip, rstrip, and strip methods. I'm gonna use lstrip method. This method remove this space. Okay, this method removes the left part of the. We can use name rstrip. This method removes the right space. As you see, my friend, left space are here, but right space is not here. You can use just strip method for removing left and right. Let's look at the output. There is no space left or right. You can use strip method, get rid of these spaces. Another method is split method. Splits the string at the specified separator and returns a list. Okay, for example, I'm gonna create new variable 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm gonna use this method, split method. New dot split parentheses. I'm gonna use dash. I have now a list. That's the first element is 1, second is 2, third is 3. Yes, understand? You can split these string by using split method. I'm gonna use, for example, a dash symbol. You can use anything you want, okay? Lastly, we are gonna use format method. It's very important method. We are gonna use so many times. For example, if you wanna write Mehmet Tek is an instructor, you can use format method. I'm gonna write print. For example, double quotation. You have to use curly braces for this. I'm gonna use double curly braces. Is an instructor. Is an Python instructor. Okay, how can you use format method? Dot format parentheses name comma surname. Okay, of course we add name and surname here. I'm gonna print Mehmet Tek is a Python instructor. Okay, understand? We will use curly braces here, and the name and surname will be here and here. Of course, these curly braces means name, this curly braces is surname. Okay, you can use format method like this. Also, you can use f-string for this method. For example, I'm gonna get this part and I'm gonna remove this part. Okay, I'm gonna write name, surname, and I'm gonna add f-string here. Okay, these are now black here. Okay, I'm gonna shift enter. There's no difference between format method and f-string. Mehmet Tek is a Python instructor. Okay, you can use format method and also you can use f-string. Okay, lastly, I'm gonna say something. All string methods returns new values. They do not change the original string. For example, this is a name variable and I'm gonna change to uppercase by using the upper method. I have uppercase Mehmet, but I'm gonna look at the original name variable. It's all the same, not uppercase. So all string methods returns new values. They do not change the original string. The original one is also now Mehmet. This method doesn't change the original string. Okay, in this video we'll talk about some methods of strings. Okay, this is very important, my friend. In the next video we will be talking about the another data types. See you in the next video.